Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. So for those that are on the 24H2, of course, there was a stop to the 24H2 ring for a few weeks, and it mostly coincided because they just wanted to make sure that they remove recall from everything. And then on June 15th, the 24H2 version has resumed on the insider previews. If you're on the preview release, or the release preview ring, sorry, there is updates that are being pushed. So there's another one now being pushed, which is a cumulative update preview for Windows 11. So this is for 24H2 once again. So the things are actually continuing. So for those that are testing out 24H2 before everybody else on release preview, this fixes a host of problems that have been popping up within Windows 11 24H2. So if you had some problems, you had some issues, go and check it out. It will not appear by itself. It's what Microsoft likes to call seekers. Seekers are the ones that are going to check intentionally Windows updates. So this is for the seekers, and once you go and check for Windows updates, you'll see that this update appears and is available for your computer on the release preview. So this is for insiders only, release preview, those that have already moved up to Windows 11 24H2 like I have here on this gaming machine. Once again, it's not something that you should necessarily, but if you want it before everybody else, you can go into the Windows updates, go into the Windows Insider program, and put yourself, enroll yourself in the release preview ring to get, of course, what will be the 24H2 Windows 11 operating system, which will be what will be coming out in September or October of this year. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.